This time it gives a song from Ken Rogers and Dolly Parton.
Let's go. Baby, when I met you, there was things I know. I said, don't you get your way to find food? Come, there was something inside. There was something going on. There's something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Beat in my heart, we get something going on. And the love is blind. Every was a dedication. All this love reveals easy conversation we write together. Making love with each other.